In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app, then tap at your profile picture at the top right, and then get into Settings. On Settings, tap at General. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find Restricted Mode option. Now, as you can see, it is turned on, and all you have to do in order to turn off that feature is just hit at that switcher. After that, I recommend you to restart YouTube app, so just close it and open it up again, and basically that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.